Hi guys, welcome to Divine Dine. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare KACCHI biryani. So let's begin. First step is to marinate the chicken. For that, take 1 kg chicken, add 2 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder and 1 tablespoon Garam Masala powder. Add some garlic cloves, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoon curd, 2 teaspoons salt, some cardamom, cloves and cinnamon, and add 2 tablespoons oil. Now it's time to mix all the ingredients. Meanwhile, fry 2 big chopped onions to make birista. Mix half of the birista with the chicken. Add some coriander leaves and mint leaves and add 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix them well. Now cover it and let it marinate for 4 hours. Now let's prepare the rice. Take 1 kg 400 grams water in a pan, then add some cardamom, cloves, cinnamon and add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon oil. Now cover the pan for about 2 minutes. When bubbles form, add 700 grams rice, 2 teaspoons salt and add 1 whole lemon juice. Now let it cook. Now take a big pan, add 3 tablespoons oil and spread it. Add the marinated chicken, spread the chicken evenly like this. Now keep a lid over the flame. And put the pan like this. Now add a layer of cooked rice. Add some mint leaves, Birista, coriander leaves and 2 tablespoons ghee. Again, add another layer of cooked rice, followed by mint leaves, coriander leaves and birista, and add 2 tablespoons ghee. Now take 1 cup milk and add 1 pinch of saffron. Add this milk to the rice. Cover the pan and seal the edges with the help of dough. Dough seal is a good way to stop steam from escaping the dish. After 30 minutes or so, open the cover like this. And now our delicious KACCHI biryani is ready. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Definitely try this delicious recipe and give your feedbacks in the comment section below. See you in our next video. Till then, bye.